Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hike with Mangyan. Let's give our knees a workout and our balance a test. 7.4 kilometer from Spec Pond Shelter to Grafton Notch, Route 26. Hopping rocks like it's my day job. Goodbye Spec Pond. I'm heading to Grafton Notch, Route 26. 4.6 miles. The Mahoosuc Range, Old Speck, and Grafton Notch included, get a full makeover from Ice Age glaciers. Expect scraped rock, boulders dropped in random spots, and deep valleys like nature's old school signature. Spec Pond is a classic tarn. Fancy talk for a high mountain pond scooped out by a glacier in a bowl-shaped cirque. It's one of Maine's highest. It used to hide under ice thousands of feet thick. Back in the 1800s, this was a lumber highway. Settlers and loggers hauled wood along these rough paths. You can still spot old logging roads and mossy stone foundations hiding in the trees. The Eyebrow Cliffs near Old Speck are prime falcon nursery real estate. Peregrines disappeared from Maine thanks to DDT, but reintroduction in the 80s and 90s brought them swooping back. Grafton Township called it quits in 1919, back when it went by the catchy name Plantation Letter AR2. It had local government, until fewer people and shifting fortunes made it handy in the case.
I started out over across the street, so I did that, and I'm doing this, and I figured I might as well just head back now. I didn't really prepare for like an 8-mile.
This famous Grafton Notch waterfall was sculpted by swirling glacial meltwater. The Bear River bored deep potholes into the bedrock. Mother Nature with a cordless drill. And that's the trail. Nice trek from the couch. If you chuckled, hit like, tap subscribe, and drop your questions below. Stay cool, sip water. See you next mile. Bye!